260 Aphorism, Organon of Medicine. Hence, the careful investigation into such obstacles to cure is so much the more necessary in the case of patients affected by chronic diseases, as their diseases are usually aggravated by such noxious influences and other disease causing errors in the diet and regimen, which often pass unnoticed. Footnote: Coffee, fine Chinese, and other herbs teas, beer prepared with medicinal vegetable substances unsuitable for the patient's state, so-called fine liquors made with medicinal spices, all kinds of punch, spiced chocolates, odorous waters and perfumes of many kinds, strong scented flowers in the apartment, tooth powders and essences and perfumed sachets compounded of drugs, highly spiced dishes and sauces, spiced cakes and ice, crude medicinal vegetables or for soups, dishes of herbs, roots and stalks of plants possessing medicinal qualities, asparagus with long green tips, hops and all vegetables possessing medicinal properties, celery, onions in the sixth edition, old cheese and meats that are in a state of decomposition or that possess medicinal properties, as the flesh and fat of pork, ducks, and geese, or veal that is too young, and sour viands out just as certainly to be kept from patients as they should avoid all excesses in food and in the use of sugar and salt, as also they should avoid spirituous drinks undiluted with water, heated rooms, woolen clothing next to the skin, which should be exchanged in warm weather, first for cotton, then for linen garments, a sedentary life in close apartments, or the frequent indulgence in mere passive exercise such as riding, driving, or swinging, prolonged suckling, taking a long siesta in a recumbent posture, in bed, sitting up long at night, uncleanliness, unnatural debauchery, fatigue by reading obscene books, reading while lying down, onanism or imperfect or suppressed intercourse in order to prevent conception, subjects of anger, grief or vexation, a passion for play, over exertion of mind or body, dwelling in marshy districts, damp rooms, penurious living, all these things must be as far as possible avoided or removed in order that the cure may not be obstructed or rendered impossible. Some of my disciples seem needlessly to increase the difficulties of the patient's dietary by forbidding the use of many more tolerably indifferent things, which is not to be commended.